welcome back. And today I'm going to be opening this package from Amazon. So, from the things that are on my table, you could probably guess that there's a Rubik's Cube inside this. So I've just gotten into Rubik's Cube. Well, I have actually played for this. Well, I'm just doing the normal way. Well, not normal way, but the easy way. But I'm not doing it like the professional way, I guess you could say. But I'm just doing this way, and I can't do it in like 2 seconds or something like that. But I gotten pretty good at this 2x2, and I've just learned how to do this 3x3, but I haven't memorized it, so I have the algorithms on here. But as you can see, this is a Rubik's brand, and Rubik's brands aren't really that good. They don't turn well, it always catches and locks. So yeah, and so that's why I ordered this one. I forget what brand, well, there is this brand right here. And I don't want to pronounce it because I have no idea how to pronounce that. If you could see, can you see? Here, you can't see, but it's like, I'll pronounce it. Cube or something, but it's the same brand as this one too. So I'm just gonna open it right now. Okay. So here it is, right here. It's this brand. If you couldn't see, like it's not focusing, but this one, here. And see, this is a box with a guy on it, and this barcode things right here, and so. Let's open it and see how well it performs. This is a budget cube, so it's not really expensive. It was like $7. There we go. And what is this? I don't know. This also came with this. This also came with it. I don't know what this is. Ooh, yeah. I think this is a way to solve it, but I'm not gonna need that now. I'll just put that here, and here we go. So this is it. It's really loose and stuff, but it does feel a little cheap, but that's what you get. This one just kind of feels more high quality. This is just a little more loose and maybe too loose, but it's way better than this one, and it has the same colors. This color, this color, this color. Well, of course, I think what's the same. This color. See, they all have the same colors, and let's try it. So I'm gonna time me on this, but I'm recording on my phone, so I'm gonna start at a time point. Here, let me just mix it up. See, I can't really mix it up. There. Well, the easy way I'm doing it is just a skill, well, not skill, but block base. Okay? So it's gonna start at 5, 3, 2, go. my thing is at 5 minutes. That's why I'm starting right now. It goes here. Oh, it catches so much. Good. And done. I've solved it, and it has taken me 5 minutes. Okay, let's write that down. It actually just turned exactly 5. Well, it would be 4 minutes and 57 seconds. So let me get paper. Seconds. Okay. Now we're gonna try this one. It's really loose. Okay, let's put that here. Put this one here. So I'll just mix it up now. Will do. Okay. Mix it more. I'll start it through. Okay, I'll just mix it until it gets to 14 minutes. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So I've done it now. And what time is it? It's 4. Okay. So that is. Here. So, see, those are timers. Not really different, but I think because I kept messing up, but it is better than this one, so I would recommend it if you're on a budget. It is cheap, and it's just, if it's your style and you like loose, then it's good. Well, I'll just do a solve right here, right now, for the end of the video, so it doesn't leave off in like a bad note, okay? See how long it takes me to do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good. That's better. There. I would recommend this Quee U 2x2. It is good, but it's loose like that one, but not as loose. It feels higher quality than that one, and I just like it, so I would recommend this one. Done. Well, I think that took me like 50 seconds. Nope, more. I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing / review, and I'll see see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.